In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a status column in monday.com. Start by signing in to your monday.com account. Enter your account details, then wait for the workspace to load if it does not appear right away. Once you are in, go to the board where you want to add the status column. If you work with more than one board, make sure you open the correct one before making changes, since the column will be added only to the board you are viewing. With the board open, move to the end of your current columns. You will see a plus icon there. Click that plus icon to add a new column. A menu will open with different column types. From that list, select Status Monday. .com will place the new status column onto your board, and you can begin adjusting it to match the labels you want to use. Next, click any cell inside the new status column. This opens the options connected to that column. From there, click Edit Labels. This takes you into the label editor, where you can change the text and appearance of the status options that will appear in the column. In the label editor, rename the existing labels so they match the stages or categories you want to track on this board. If you need more labels, add them here. If there are labels you do not plan to use, remove them so the list stays focused on the options that matter for this workflow. This is the point where you shape the column around how your board is actually being used. After the label names are set, move to the color boxes next to each label. Click the color box for a label to open the color palette. Then choose a new color for that label. Repeat this for any other labels you want to change. Using distinct colors can help separate statuses visually when you look across the board, so each option is easier to identify at a glance. Once the labels and colors look the way you want, click Apply to save the changes. This confirms the updated set of labels for the status column and makes them available in the cells on your board. After you apply the changes, you can click back into the status column and use the labels you just created. If the board refreshes slightly or updates after you click Apply, that is normal. The important part is that your new labels and colors are now saved to that status column on this board. You can now use that column to mark items with the updated statuses you set in the editor. Your monday.com board now has a customized status column with the labels and colors you selected.